Hello, hi, welcome to Aishu's kitchen. Today we are going to make chole, which can be served with bhatura or puri. So let's get started. So let's look at the ingredients that we need. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, and this is 2 medium-sized tomato puree, 1 medium-sized onion paste, and ground masalas, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon chole masala, ready-made chole masala, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon amchur, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and we need about half teaspoon hing, 1 green chili, 1 medium-sized ginger, and some coriander leaves. Let's look at the whole spices. 1 cinnamon stick, 1 big cardamom, 3 cloves, and this is the main ingredient, chole, and I've soaked it overnight. So let's make the chole now. I have taken a pressure pan. I'm going to heat up 5 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up. I'm gonna add in 1 whole cinnamon stick, cardamom, and 3 cloves. So I'm gonna add in the onion paste. Make sure the flame is in low. We need to cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes until it gets golden brown. At this point, we are adding the ginger garlic paste. It's been 8 minutes that I've been frying the onions. So I'll be frying it until it's a little more brownish in color. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of water because it's sticking to the pan. And I'll fry this for 2 minutes. So now the oil has come out. Now I'll be adding in the tomato puree. Let's give it a good mix. We need to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. All the masalas that I've shown you before. So I'm going to be adding it. And we'll give it a good mix. So let's add in the soaked chole with the water. And give it a mix. Now, I'll show you a secret ingredient that has to be added to the chole to give it a good color, and even it has good properties. So let's heat up half cup of water. Now, this is the secret ingredient that has to be used. This is tea leaves. So around 1 tablespoon of tea leaves. So the water has to get a good boil. So now that tea has got a good boil, I'm switching it off, taking a strainer and pouring this right into the chole. And then now to see the reaction, I'm going to add in the baking soda. Do you see the reaction coming in? So this gives the good taste to the chole. So now I'll add salt to taste. Then give it a mix. Okay, great. Now we're going to close the lid. Let's put the pressure, and then we'll cook this until we get 8 to 9 whistles, and then let's check it. First we need to put it on a low flame for the first whistle, and then from the second whistle we can put it in the high flame. So this is how it looks like when we remove it from the pressure. So now we're going to put a tadka on top of it. So let's see how to make the tadka. So I'm going to be adding in 1 big tablespoon of ghee. You can add in a little more. Let the ghee heat up, and then we'll be adding in the ginger slices and the green chili. Now let's add in the ginger pieces and some hing. Switch off the flame, and then add this. Let's add in the fresh coriander. Here we go. The chole is ready. You can serve this with hot puri or bhatura. If you like the recipe, please hit the subscribe button down below, and then I'll see you next week with another recipe. Bye bye.